Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you. We've got an absolutely awesome video coming at you today. We're going to do some smoked crab legs on the Y640. We're using some red cayenne pepper pellets from a lumberjack. Go ahead and load it down with that. Oh, these are going to be so good. This recipe was pioneered by Malcolm Reed over there at How Barbecue Rock. We're going to tweak it up a little bit. Be using some of the stuff from Big Papa Smokers. It's gonna be real good. Y'all hang with me. We'll get this cooker up to 250. All right, y'all. So we got a baste for the crab legs going in here. Show y'all what I got. Y'all can see. I got 3 sticks of butter melted right here, melted in this pot. I'm gonna add some seasoning to it, y'all, and it's gonna make it real good. So let's start off. First thing we're gonna use Big Papa Smokers Money Championship rub right here. Alright. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of that in there. Good stuff. Now I'm going to take some of Big Papa Smokers Jalapeno. It's kind of a jalapeno, bacon jalapeno. Wonderful stuff. This will be real good off in it. Put about a half a tablespoon of that. Okay. Alright. Still not done. I want a little citrus in here. So I'm using a little Rib Doctor Heath Riles citrus. Simply citrus. Put a little of that in there. Another tablespoon of that. Get some citrus flavor. And then some of my perrines. You know, my garlic, butter seasoning stuff. My all-time favorite seasonings. Or anything. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of this in there. It's got some wonderful flavor. Last but not least, you got to have some crab boil. Okay. So that off there. Alright. We'll mix all that together. Let it just sit there and steep. And that's what we're going to base the crab legs with, y'all. Alright, y'all. We're about to glaze these bad boys. Y'all come right here. Look at this. So you see I got the crab legs right here. Alright. I got this the glaze ready. I got some shrimp on there too. I'm just doing those as well. I dip those in the glaze. But these you just want to just kind of rub it on. And see these crab legs are still pretty cold, so it's putting that little just coating on there. Absolutely wonderful, y'all. So look at that. You can flip them over maybe. And get the other side. Just get all this with that good glaze. That butter. And make sure you get the tips down there, you know. Oh my gosh, I wish y'all could smell this. It smells absolutely amazing. But anyway, we're gonna get all that glazed up. Already got the shrimp glazed. Put those over. Alright. Now y'all, we're gonna get them out there on the Y640. Man, these things are going to be good. But y'all, we got the grill rolling at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. I got my little sliding trays here. What I want to try to do, y'all, I've got my KZL fab sliding trays. I want to try to get these things on top. Zoom y'all in so you can see. I want to try to get them on the top shelf. And then we'll put the pan underneath to catch some of the drippings, alright? Going on. Alright, y'all see how I've got them all on there like that? Now I'm gonna put this, push that back there. I'm gonna put this tray, let me pull this out real quick. Put the shrimp on the bottom shelf. Now I'll put the tray underneath it and try to catch any drippings because we don't want to waste our juice there. Now these shrimp need to be coated on them as well. Come on, shrimp, fit on there. Hopefully they all fit. Alright, I'm gonna put the tray underneath there to catch some of the drippings. Crab legs. Alright. How about like that? There we go. Push the shrimp back. Alright, there we go. We can check this in about 10 minutes. Also, it's been 10 minutes. What we want to do is make sure we got everything nice and basted here. Look at that. Look at those crab legs. Aren't those beautiful? Pan out a little bit. And just want to baste these right now. Show what I'm doing. Make sure we got those tips, the ends there, basted well. Tab. That's gonna be some flavor, y'all. Tell me what. Bug got on there. How the heck? A little bug, man. Let's go ahead and just put some more baste on them. Alright. Pull the shrimp out here on the bottom. I'm going to use my glove with the heat glove on there. Make sure I've got those. I'll look at my shrimp down here. May flip those and we'll baste them. Tell what we may do with the shrimp. Let's just throw the shrimp off in here. Look in this pan. That shrimp will be just fine cooking like that. They cooking that good butter. Alright? Alright, I'll be back in just a bit. Y'all want to let them cook about another 20 minutes and we'll check them. Alright, y'all, so I just temped everything. Crab legs got still just a little bit more to go. But the shrimp, I'll show y'all here, pull this out some. The shrimp are done. Look beautiful, don't they? Look at that. I got my thermometers. Let's push that in there. 128, 136, 139, 140. That's good for the shrimp. Let's probe the crab here for a second. Only 113 or so on the crabs. The crab need to go a little bit longer, but those shrimp, I want to take those off now. Let the crab go another 10 minutes and check them. Alright, y'all, so they've been on here a total of 40 minutes. I think they're perfect now, and they are ready. Oh man, I can't wait to dig in these. Let me get a picture of them on the grill. They're so beautiful, y'all. So that is nice right there. That's pretty. So we'll go ahead and take them off, bring them inside. Y'all, we're going to give them a try. Alright, y'all ready to taste these crab legs and shrimp? I'm telling you what, it's going to be awesome. Look at that right there on the slate plate. Ooh. Let's just peel one of them off here. Look at that. Try the small end first. Look at the little, just, oh. Go. I promise you, if you ain't had this, you are missing out, my friends. You would not believe how the smoke penetrates that shell ever so slightly. Give it the best flavor. If you love snow crab legs, y'all got to try this. Oh my gosh, that's amazing, y'all. Look. I got the juice over here. If you want to dip it in some of the drippings. Let's try one of the shrimp. Oh my goodness. Gracious, y'all. Look at this. We have to call the neighbors here to help us. Nah, we didn't call the neighbors. We'll eat these ourselves. Look at that. Amazing. Flavor party here. Y'all have got to try cooking crab legs. You're really just heating them up on your smoker. Use that big pop of smoker stuff I told you about. Y'all look for links in the description box. I'm telling you what, This is absolutely amazing. Thank y'all so much. Remember, like my videos, sub my channel. God bless, and y'all have a good one. I'm gonna eat these crab legs, y'all. Look at that. Is that not just beautiful? Love me some crab legs.